Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm just here today doing a little just a budget friendly video to show you guys how you can cook for a family of 4 for under $6. Definitely if you have an Aldi in your area. So I'm going to show you. So as you can see, my total came up to $5.86, and I purchased a pack of chicken drumsticks. I have 2 cans of the cut green beans, and I have a box of shells and cheese. Now, I know some people like to do frozen green beans. I do too, but to reduce the sodium in these canned green beans, I always pour them out in a strainer and rinse them first before I cook them. And this pack has 8 drumsticks in it, so your family will eat 2 legs apiece. Okay, so I'm actually going to make these into some barbecue chicken legs. I'm going to put them in the oven and season them up real good, have that little barbecue sauce, and then your shells and cheese. And I have a few rolls that I have left over that will go with it. Okay, all right. I have my chicken in the pan, and I'm just going to season it up. First thing I'm going to put some extra, not extra, just some olive oil. I'm going to drizzle a little bit over the chicken. A little bit over the chicken. I also have this, what is this? This onion soup mix to season with. And I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the chicken. Everything. I like this Tony's, the Tony's seasoning. I like to use that with everything. It's Creole seasoning, but I like to put it on everything. Some paprika. You know, I do not have, I'm out of black pepper. I forgot to get some black pepper, but, and then I have some garlic powder. And so what I do is just put that in there. No, look at that. Put it all around. Mix everything together. And I'm going to cook this covered up. And then once it's pretty much almost done, I'm going to add my barbecue sauce to it and just kind of spread it out. Okay, so that's my seasoning. I'm going to cook it on covered. I'm going to put a little bit of water in here too for the bottom. A little bit of water just to cover my bottom of the pan. And I'm gonna cover it with some aluminum foil and put it in my oven. I got it set for 4. Okay, so when it's time for me to do my canned green beans, I just again pour them in a strainer and rinse them off before I cook them. And that can alleviate a lot of sodium that they put in there to maintain the beans in the can, preserve the beans in the can. Because of course, you gotta use this salt as preservative. And I just rinse them out. I'm doing this with one hand, but normally, you know, remove the beans. That's what I do, and then I just put them in my pot and put my own water in there and season it up. Okay, you guys, this is my baby's plate. He only eats 1 chicken, but of course, this is what it looks like. Have a meal that feed 4 under $6 from Aldi. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Smooches. Bye.